Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to use Krisp AI. So go to Google and type in Krisp AI, search bar, hit the first link. Now get Krisp, click on the blue button, get Krisp, and choose AI Meeting Assistant now. We'll be asked to sign into your Google account. So add your Google account here, click Continue, select all, Continue. Now hit the Download for Windows button. Now the Krisp installer, just click on the Krisp installer. This will download the Krisp tool and install it on your desktop Windows. Now after the full installation of the app, click on Continue with Google. Now the Krisp app will demand authorization from your Google account to access your Google Meeting. So click on this app, open Krisp, and here you have to confirm the AI Krisp tool. So to access your meetings, so you either choose to let it access your Google Meeting, Zoom meeting, Microsoft Teams meeting, and etc. You just pick, for example, English, Continue, and click on Continue here only about meeting invitees, and Continue now. Here you will have to click on Meetings, and after click on Meetings, you will have to add the meeting that you want to organize. For example, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams meeting, or Zoom meeting, or Skype, or etc. So that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.